الله الرحمن الرحيم. أكرر الترحيب بكم مرة أخرى just to continue on our quality assurance today, I'd like to just to announce to you that at 1:44, while we are in a meeting now, our people, in the steering committee for our quality assurance, they already uploaded all the document for the NC3BA re-accreditation. Then I would like to take this opportunity to thank everybody participated in this committee, all the people, department, members, everybody. As you know, the quality is starting from the low level to the higher level. Then all the people in this institute, they did the best to finish it, and thanks God we finished it in time. Now our people, they are telling me now, they send me a text message saying that at 1:44 already loaded for the external reviewer and for the NC3AA. And thanks God we are dealing with a soft copy. We loaded thousands of documents. Our colleagues who work in that things, we have a lot of documents. I think they need a lot of time to read the material which we have submitted for the institute and for the programs. We have 2 programs, pharmacy and dentistry. Then the mission done now. Then I would like to take this opportunity to thank everybody, starting from, I don't want to forget anybody, but special thanks to the Quality Assurance Committee, which is the steering committee, which is shared by the department chairman. Everybody knows that. We have a lot of people there in the steering committee, and also we have the core committee. The core committee, I have to mention their names because they did a lot of effort. The steering committee is chaired by Professor Omari, department chairman, and many people there sharing from our colleagues here and also different levels. The core committee, also we have Professor Omari, Dr. Ghusiya, Dr. Tahani, Dr. Ammar, Dr. Rayyan, Dr. Abdul Basir, Miss Liz, Miss Noof. Hopefully I did not forget anybody. Correct me, and I'm sorry if I forget somebody. But for my knowledge, those people, I see them during the 24 hours, weekend, every time they are here in the college. And I hope I did not forget anybody. I know that everybody did a lot of efforts, but the core committee, they did the best, and really appreciate that offer, and to congratulate everybody here for this achievement. Okay. Going from that things, the core committee now, we have arranged with our rector, Professor Abdullah. This committee, the core committee, it will continue from today. Now, during noontime, I was sitting with them. I told them, okay, we finished the mission. Now we will start continuing now the preparation for the coming 5 years, inshallah. Then they are going to continue this committee, and they are going to follow at the end of each semester all the requirements, the elephant standards, and from everybody. Then they will feel free to contact anybody and get the information. Then this committee will continue with the main committee, okay? Then hopefully with arrangement with our people, manpower, and the quality assurance, Ms. Liz and Ms. Noof and the whole team there, they can do the whole material. And to not spend that time, then we'll do quality assurance every semester, okay? Based on that, we start from the department now. We got memo from our rector saying that each department they have to have those 4 committees. Maybe there are more committees. Then this one established. Some of the committees there, but curriculum committee, quality assurance committee, plus postgraduate committee, promotion and recruitment, and the other committee. But all the departments, they have to have. I'll talk about the curriculum committee and quality assurance. And this is the message now to all the department chairmen. Please, we want to start even from today. We have to have, first of all, we are going to go through summer, okay? During summer, just let us know how many person you need. to finish the task and to review our data, our document which we have. I'm talking for course evaluation. Really, we had a lot of problem for the course evaluation. It was different everything. Then we wrap everything, we try to correct what we have. Then, starting from now, any faculty, you want to relieve them, okay? We have 2 months now before we start our vacation. They will feel free. We can give them free sessions to work for that things, because this is the main thing. This is the bone for any institute. Then Quality Assurance Committee also has a lot of responsibility, and I think one of the responsibility, I'll show now some data which is really, you can't imagine their things. Quality assurance inside the department, I'm talking about the department now, committee, I think they have a lot of responsibility. Questions. We noticed that there are different, and I'll show now in the slide. I get the questions for this week until today. You can see the difference between the people, really. Even in the same department, even for the same course. We have a lot of improvement comparing with the past, but usually we sit here every time and we said, this is the number of questions, it has to be the same, etc. Then please, a lot of responsibility they have to do it, okay? Final examination result. See now, I have to appreciate the effort and thank our colleague in BHS. You can see we agreed to have 80 questions for each course. Okay. If there is anything, we can discuss it. I mean, they have to discuss it inside the department. You can see the number of questions now. It is 80. It is 80 except math. Math, you have a problem. Okay. It is not necessary to be 80 because we know math, physics, there is number. But I mean, you can see the difference between both gender. There is different. And I know I already took that things with Professor Jamal and Dr. Hala. Then I just show something, and even some of the courses, wallahi, I do not know who is the course director, but I try to get the things, you know, the loaded, and maybe I was busy with another father also today in the male side. That's why I try to get the whole material and try to present it in front of you just to see what we have. And it's your responsibility in the department to discuss that thing. I put here pharmacy. See here, pharmacy. We have 80. We follow the rules, 80. Because we agree on that thing. The number 80 for the final exam, and for the mid-semester exam, it's 40. To give the student and to give the course director the freedom to put more questions, okay? You can see here, 76, 76. We are not creating anybody, please, okay? Don't understand me wrong. I just to present what we have. We have some courses here. I have here 100 سؤال, 100, 100, okay? And this 70, 80. See the problem here. Then here we have the problem. They are the same course. I don't know if they are the same course director or whatever. We have different here, 70 and 80. At least if they are 70, it's fine. Here, it's the same, 80, 80, 70. Here, no. Somebody 100, somebody 60. I do want to discuss that thing. If it is agree and it's clear in the department, it's fine. But I present what we have. This is what we have. And if there is any wrong information I present today, I feel sorry for that. But this is what I got from our electronic exam. And this is the good thing about the electronic exam. You can get the information from any place. Okay? We go to dentistry. See dentistry. We have 80s, 78, 78. Then I noticed the clinical courses here, 60, 60. We got some here, 70, 70. That's, if it's that, this is what you in the department agree on it. Discuss that things. You can see the difference here. 60, all of them, it is, at least there is no variability between the course director, but the number here is different. Here, I noticed, I was trying to compare it. Is the basic science should be 80 in dentistry. I noticed surgery here, it is clinical, there is 80, 80. I found another course somewhere here. It is Prosto 413, it is 78, 78. I mean, around 80. I mean, I was thinking the 60 for the clinical courses should be 60 or something like that. I don't know, but I present what we have. It's worth to be discussed, okay? But in dentistry, at least they are equal, male and female. Final examination result, please make sure we have the electronic. In the past, we used to give 36 hours, okay, for the faculty. Now it's immediately, okay? But also we do not use that facility, okay? First of all, each course director, as we agreed, I got now some people for a week they did not encode it. And everybody free. And also the other thing, really, it is clear for any faculty member has to attend his exam. Today, I got in the morning, Dr. Jamal, he was with me, and Dr. Farouk. One of our course director, he's not there with the exam, and we are waiting for students that are asking something, he's not there. When I call him, oh, I have commitment at 10. Anyway, encoding the result, it should be in the same day, please. Otherwise, we are going to face a problem. Comparing and discussing the result, it is a big problem. We notice some result, it is not discussed with the department chairman. This is the responsibility of the department chairman. Please, when you enter it, go to the department chairman, discuss it. If you need some modification, sometime we get some question not removed. It was the difficulty of the question, they did not discuss it. Then there was some problem. Everybody just encode it, and he go out. Then he leave us to struggle with this data, and we saw discrepancy between male and female, between the courses, etc. Then each course director, this is a message to the department chairman, please, any course, you have to see it, you have to sign that paper. We still keep in the, as a document, the paper, the hard copy. It has to be signed by the department chairman and everything, which means it has been discussed, and compare it. Anyway, thank you, and I'm sorry for what I have mentioned today, but since we are talking about the quality, we have to